Hey everybody, Kelly here, and I wanted to drop this and make sure you comment below if you want this when I release it this weekend. So I've been working extremely hard on a program that, in my humble opinion, will help any real estate agent bring in much needed cash flow, especially in this market, without BS, without having to struggle. It'll be the easiest offer you've ever made a potential homeowner. Literally, when you see this thing, you're going to be like, holy crap. Now, guys, this program, let me say up front, there are multiple niches in real estate you could go after: absentee homeowners, probate, divorce, geofarm for sellers, geofarm for buyers, expireds. I mean, we can keep listing different niches that you can go after. This is the for sale by owner niche. And before you shout me down, some of you are probably going, oh my God, this thing is righteous. It's legit. And I cannot wait to share it. Let me tell you what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you complete training, zero charge. I'm going to give you a video walkthrough on how to list, literally in the next 3 to 6 months, 12 for sale by owners. It'll be the easiest pitch you've ever made. It's no BS. It makes sense to the end user. It will be one of the easiest processes you will have to go through to get them to call you back. And by the way, you really don't have to cold call with this, but if you want to do a phone call after initiating a program within a week or two, it'll be more like a warm call because they're already going to know who you are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a complete video walkthrough of the program. I'm going to give you my digital assets. This will include all of my done for you postcards. They're freaking amazing. I'm going to give you a killer FSBO letter word template editable. When you see this thing, you're going to be like, wow, right? I'm going to show you what to do with the letter and the postcards. I'm going to show you where to find the FSBOs, where you're going to get phone number, name, and email. I'm going to show you how to communicate to them. I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process. And then I'm going to break down what the offer is. And here's what I like to say. It's equivalent to the old Godfather movie. I'm going to make an offer you can't refuse, right? So please, if you're watching this video, I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. I'm going to post it all over the place. Comment below. Make sure that if you're on YouTube, you subscribe and hit the bell, because when I drop this, if you don't see it, you won't come back, right? So subscribe if you haven't. If you've already subscribed, hit the notification bell, because I'm going to drop this weekend. I'm going to put it on my broker's marketplace, Facebook workplace. I'm going to drop it on a couple of my Facebook channels, and it's going on YouTube. So again, guys, no charge. I'm not going to charge for this program. This thing is top notch. You probably will not have seen something like this to this degree. Full training, video training, and all of my digital assets I'm giving you. This is part of our No Agent Left Behind collaboration. I want to collaborate with you guys. I don't want to compete with you, right? There's a lot of coaches out there that charge thousands of dollars. Nothing wrong with that. But what I want to do on this channel, no matter what channel you're looking at, is develop that atmosphere where we as agents can share one with another. Because if you followed me for any length of time, you know that is my heart. Anyway, that's it. Guys, make sure you're following me. You hit the bell. I'm giving this program away for free, including my letter. When you see this letter, you're going to be like, holy crap. I'm going to give you all my digital assets training. So enough about that. Make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you subscribe, hit following, drop me some comments. Let me know if you're excited about this. And you can also, I'm going to drop in the comment section below my contact information. Don't contact me before this weekend, but if you remember this, save my contact information. And if you remember that you forgot to watch it this weekend, just hit me up next week. I'll email the stuff to you, right? All right, man, that's it. I appreciate every one of you. And I cannot wait to give you this for sale by owner program. We're going to call it an offer you can't refuse. All right, I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.